Hi, I'm Keith McCoy with Solutions Pest Lawn. Today we're going to discuss truck-mounted spray rigs. Solutions offers many different types of spray rigs, anything from a custom build to a stock rig. Today we're going to review our stock rigs. One, we use aluminum frames. They're very durable, lightweight, never rust, and we weld all the seams. We do not use bolts. Two, our gasoline engines. We use Honda's GX160s. Three, our spray hose. 3/8 inch ID, 600 pounds of working pressure, 1,800 pounds burst. Four, our tanks. We have many different configurations ranging anywhere from 25 gallon up to 1,000 gallon. And we use hand-A hose reels. They're made of steel, powder coated for longevity. Let's review the 12-volt Shurflo pump system. This particular rig is great to use in residential areas around homes, maybe some smaller commercial buildings to treat the perimeter and also treat around the eaves or windows. One of the best features on this that I really enjoy is that due to using an electric pump, you don't have to be concerned about release of any kind of emissions, and you don't have to worry about noise pollution. So if you live in an area that has certain restrictions on any of those, then this would be a good choice for you. Some of the things that you might look at as far as on the maintenance side is you have an inline strainer. This inline strainer would need to be cleaned regularly. As it gets dirty, it's going to restrict water flow. And then also you always want to make sure that you're checking your connections to your battery. This is our Pump Tech 350U electric pump. This pump will deliver 3 gallons a minute at 150 pounds of pressure. You can hook it directly up to your truck battery, or you can use an alternate battery. If you do so, just make sure it's marine grade. The pump itself is got a great couple of features to it. One, it doesn't produce any emissions. Also, you don't have any noise pollution. So if you live in an area or service in an area that has certain restrictions as those mentioned, then this would be a great fit for you. The unit itself can be used to treat perimeters of homes, commercial buildings, around windows, doors, around the eaves, lawns, shrubs, flowering beds, and just a great overall rig. This is the Hypro 6-roller pump. It is gasoline powered driven. This pump will provide up to 300 pounds of pressure. Will deliver right at 21 gallons per minute. If you're looking for a rig that's going to give you high volume output, but at kind of a medium to low pressure, this would be the rig for you. Some of the applications that you might use this rig with are herbicide applications, insecticide, and fungicide. With the herbicide application, oftentimes we are interested in that high volume. However, with this particular roller pump, there are certain types of herbicides that are not recommended for it because it will damage the pump. So just make sure you either give us a call or check your label. As far as insecticides and fungicides, you're going to have zero problem with it. So whether you're doing like a pre-treat or doing a perimeter treatment or something like that, this is a great rig to do that particular work. The Honda engine is a GX160, very durable, long-lasting. What I love about Honda engines is that in 2 years you pull on that pull string one time and it starts. So they're super reliable. This is our Hypro D252 diaphragm pump. This particular pump will give you 270 pounds of pressure, deliver about 6 gallons per minute. Comes with a Honda GX160. Overall, this rig is a great value. It can be used to apply insecticides, herbicides, fungicides. Great for using for termite work. You can also use it to spray trees, flower beds, shrub beds, things like that. So overall, it's just a great rig. It's great value to it and long lasting. So just a great overall choice. This is our Maruyama piston pump, MSD 41. This particular pump will provide well over 500 pounds of pressure, delivering right at 8 gallons per minute. It's driven by our Honda GX160. This particular rig has many different uses. It's a workhorse. I call it a beast because of the piston pump and the pressure that you're actually getting. So if you're looking for something high pressure, kind of a medium output, like this is 8 gallons a minute, this is the rig for you. It can be used for pre-treats, it can be used for termite control, it can be used for lawn spraying, tree spraying, flower beds, shrub beds. So just overall, it's a great rig. So if you're looking for something that's just got that little extra boost or power, this is the rig for you. Should you have any questions at all, please give us a call, visit one of our stores or our website. I'm Keith McCoy with Solutions Pest Lawn.